After 5 years po sir, allowed po ba mag-apply for another job or may instances po ba na ina-absorb po ng school yung participant or kailangan talaga na bumalik? Okay, this is an interesting question and I would like to give 5 bullet points para sagutin itong katanungan na to. Number 1, maximum of 5 years po ang JET contract. So pag natapos yon, no more renewals. Second point, pwede ka bang ma-absorb ng school? As far as I know, usually po hindi dahil government program po ang JET. Number 3, pwede ka bang mag-apply ng ibang trabaho after contract? Actually, yes. After JET, you can transfer to other companies or to other teaching-related fields like international schools, ALT dispatch companies, Eikaiwa or English conversation job. Pero ito po ay as long as meron kang visa sponsor, pwede kang magstay dito sa Japan. Kaya dapat i-process na yan bago pa po matapos yung kontrata mo. Kailangan bang umuwi ng Pilipinas? Well, ang good news po, hindi po tayo obliged na umuwi ng Pilipinas. As long as you secure a new job and visa before your contract ends. Okay, fifth point. Actually po, ang good news, meron po tayong post-contract support from JET. Meron tayong career support seminar and networking para po sa mga patapos na yung kontrata. I believe they have access to job listing na available dito sa JET. So in short mga kapatid, after 5 years ng contract mo dito sa JET, you can stay here in Japan as long as makasecure ka ng bagong visa sponsor. Anyway, sa mga nandito po sa Japan na gusto ng chicharon, pwedeng-pwede kayo mag-order sa Akabani Busan. Masarap po siya, promise. Matane!